In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to Asus Vivobook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use any model of AirPods that you have with your Asus Vivobook. You will be able to use them completely wirelessly as long as they are sufficiently charged. So, this is going to be done using Bluetooth. Most, or basically all Asus Vivobook models will have Bluetooth capabilities. So all that you have to do to start is to go over to the Bluetooth settings on your laptop. First, make sure that it is enabled. It should be enabled by default, but if needed, go over to the settings on Windows, find Bluetooth and devices, and toggle this option here. Once it is set to on, you will now be able to discover a lot of devices nearby. Now it's time to set up the AirPods. To put them into pairing mode, all that you have to do is put them inside of the case and close the lid. So close the lid, put them inside, and then open them back on. Immediately upon opening the lid, they should be detectable. However, if that doesn't work right away, then what you can do is press the setup button. Most charging case models will have a physical button that you can press and hold for a couple of seconds, around 4 seconds. By pressing and holding this, they will now appear under the list of available devices. So now, click on the plus sign here to add Bluetooth devices, and you should be able to select them from the list as long as they are sufficiently charged and the charging case is in close proximity. Once you select them from the list, all audio being output on your Asus Vivobook will go over to the actual AirPods, and you will be able to listen to everything. So you can leave them connected indefinitely as long as they are sufficiently charged. Alternatively, if they aren't connecting because they need to be charged, you will be able to use any of the cables provided. So usually your charging case will include a Lightning to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C cable. Just grab the cable that you have included in your specific one to charge it, or purchase a separate one, and you will be able to connect one end into the laptop. So most Vivobook models will feature USB-C ports, and then you can connect the Lightning end into the actual charging case. As long as you have them connected, they will be able to charge themselves, and then you will follow the same steps that I mentioned earlier to actually connect the AirPods wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Asus Vivobook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.